Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to again talk about in this here video my 16-week mentorship program that's designed to help the new person start their own income tax preparation business. So if you feel overwhelmed, if you feel stuck, if you feel unsure and unconfident of yourself and your ability to get started by yourself, and you want mentorship and guidance to help you every step of the way make that happen, this mentorship program was designed just for you. And so I'm in the income tax preparation industry for 23 years. And so I help individuals who want to start their own income tax preparation business get started. And that's regardless if you're brand new with no prior training or experience, or if you're the person that's already working in the industry, who already got some experience, made some money, and realized that you can make a greater impact and more money if you were your own boss versus an employee. And then the third person I work with is people who wanted to learn the tax skills to make money for themselves, but don't necessarily want to be a boss. They don't mind partnering up with somebody and be able to go out and get their own clients and make their own money. If that's you, uh, I'm here to help you as well. So those are the three different situations that most people find me in that I work with. So like I said, if you're overwhelmed, there's no need to be if you're working with someone, because see, this industry has so much information in it, and it can be overwhelming if you're looking at it, not understanding that number one, you're not going to use it all, you're not going to learn it all. And so knowing that, you can calm down and relax a little bit. If you work with me, I'm only going to teach you the basics of getting started and let you build on that as you go out and get actual clients for yourself that you're going to be learning from. Because see, the book knowledge, the actual practice problems, and all those different things that we do to prepare you for success is great, but you don't really start learning until you start doing. So when you actually go get your first client, that's when you really start learning what you've learned in the publications and on the forums and all the different things that have turned you on to. You get to actually implement that in real world to see how well you learned it, how well you interpret it, how well you understand it. And that's where the true learning comes from, is by doing the work for real people in the real world. Because the information that you learn doesn't give you the twist plots and the nuances of working with real people. It doesn't, because it wasn't designed for that. I'm here to give you the nuances of what's going to happen with working with people in the real world that you won't read in the book, that you won't find on the forum. And so that's the difference between working with someone and working without someone, is that I'm here to be your tour guide. I'm here to help guide you through this process step by step by step. As a new person who's started a business in the career industry of tax preparation and taxation, your number one job is to learn, 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 and learn. That's it, and that's all. The setting up the infrastructure of your business and all those moving pieces that can go along with it, I'm here to help you make that happen. So that's the easy part. But you learning the knowledge and skills needed to go out and do the work is all of it. This program will include establishing an online presence through social media and your website. Getting the expertise you need in the tax preparation skills takes time. You won't get it overnight. It may take you 5 to 10 to 15 years to be considered an expert in your eyes, but you want to become knowledgeable when it comes to tax preparation, 1040 individual tax prep. That's where we get started at. Extra revenue sources is another thing that I'm going to educate you about on how to make money other than tax preparation fees. So there's other services that you can add to your business model that you're going to either take care of directly or you're going to outsource and make money from that. Building a team for growth is the place you want to get to fast as you can, because now you got a team that's out there doing the work for you, where you sitting back overseeing the business, making sure everything ran smoothly. And so as solopreneurs, we want to get to the point where we got a team of trusted individuals who knowledgeable, who can do the work that's going to allow the business to grow and flourish and prosper and expand to its multiple locations, either locally or globally, either online or offline. The choice is yours on what that looks like for you, your mission, your vision for your business. We'll walk you through all that. Every aspect of having the business in this specific industry for you is going to be different from the next person who has a income tax preparation business as well. Everyone's business is going to be slightly different. You're going to have some commonality and you're going to have some differences. That's what's going to separate you when it comes to y'all both having an income tax business is the differences. And so if you want to get guided step by step instructions, leadership, training and support and accountability, I'm here to help you make that happen. Leverage my 23 years in this industry to help you make that happen. I say if you show up, get all in and do the work, you can make 5 figures your first year. 5 figures is simply $10,000. You can do more than that if you show up, do the work, and do everything that I suggest you do to get the success you say you want to have for you and your family. So if you're feeling stuck, you're feeling frustrated, you don't have the confidence to get started by yourself, you're looking for mentorship and guidance, I'm your guy. Let's talk, let's chat. Reach out to me at 773-365-9823 or text or email me at info@workwthomas.com. The choice is yours. I want to talk with you because everyone that works with me all have questions and concerns before they get started. I want to be able to answer all those with confidence before you get started so you know you made the right choice by working with me and you feel good about what you're about to embark on and make happen. I'm going to paint a realistic picture of the success you can have. You just have to look in the mirror and ask yourself, are you willing to do that? Are you willing to show up in that way? Are you willing to become the person you need to become to get the success you say you want to have in your life for you and your family? If you're willing to do the work, if you're willing to show up, if you're willing not to use any excuses, if you're coachable, you're teachable and humble to understand that you don't know what you don't know, I'm here to guide you. I'm here to help you save time, money, frustration, and disappointment. Because as a business owner, we all go through peaks and valleys. We all go ups and downs, but that can be alleviated and that can be lessened if you invest in mentorship that's going to help guide you every step of the way through all the minefields of life, as well as having a business that you don't even know exists. I'm here to save you from all that. All the mistakes I made, I'm here to save you from all of them because I'm going to tell you all the mistakes we made were based on assumptions. So if you eliminate assumptions inside your business and ask specific questions, you're already halfway there. Learn more about what I do and how I help you get rid of the frustration, the doubt, help you build confidence, help you build knowledge and skills, help you to make some money in the process, help you to build a business you can be proud of. That's what I'm here to help you make happen. Let's talk, let's chat, let's make this go, let's make this thing happen. 16-week course is going to give you everything you need to have a full-fledged tax preparation service for yourself. And on top of that, the bonus is you get my mentorship and guidance every step of the way, especially during tax season. So when January of 2025 comes, you got me on your team. So you go out and get clients, and I help you to go out and get clients, and I help you service those clients in the way you need to service them, and being compliant with those clients to make the type of income you say you want to make. I'm here to help you make that happen. I'll see you in my next video.